physiotherapist. Today I'd like to talk to you about a condition called winging scapula, and I'd also like to show you just a really common exercise that can be done in terms of treatment for this particular condition. So essentially what a winging scapula is, you can think of it as a muscle imbalance between the muscles in the back here that help to stabilize your shoulder blades. So essentially the shoulder blades, typically a quote-unquote normal position for your shoulder blade is actually flat against your rib cage. And so what can happen is, due to different muscle imbalances as a result of perhaps overusing the muscles in certain ways, we can create weaknesses in some of these muscles that help to, again, stabilize the shoulder blade in that correct position. And what can happen in terms of the scapula or your shoulder blade, it starts to essentially wing out, and you'll notice on the back of the shoulder blade, the end portion or the lower portion of the scapula sticks out, protrudes outwards. And again, you see this a lot with individuals who maybe are doing a throwing sport and are continually doing these overhead movements. So whether it's baseball or volleyball, sometimes you see it in certain working conditions. So people who work out in front, for example, so more of your jobs that are maybe construction work or carpentry out in front, where again there's an overuse of some of these muscles that again help to stabilize the shoulder blades. Now, the exercise, one of the most important exercises to do with regards to this condition, it's called a push-up plus exercise. And the reason this one is so important, it actually works one of the muscles that helps to, again, stabilize the scapula in those neutral positions. It's called your serratus anterior muscle. And so the way that you do this push-up plus exercise is you essentially go up against the wall. So I'm going to show you over here. So you go up against the wall, and it's basically like doing a push-up, except you're going to keep your elbows completely straight when you do this exercise here. So elbows are staying completely straight, and basically it looks like this. You just move completely through the shoulder blade. And so again, as you're doing this exercise, what you're working is that serratus anterior muscle, and after you've done it, you should actually feel as though you're a little bit more upright, and again that those shoulder blades move more into kind of the center portion of the back. Thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment below, and take care.